happy people, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, it is a Vlogmas Day 13 and we are more than halfway done and we're doing amazing. Look at my shirt. Oh, I love Christmas shirts. Okay guys, so listen to me. I am in one of my guest rooms. So we finished one guest room where mom stays. This is the guest room where my brother and my sister-in-law stays. And we have one more to decorate. We'll decorate this week. Also, I quickly wanted to tell you, this video is gonna come out later. Well, you'll see that. I usually try to have all my videos at 6 a.m. in the morning from the previous day, right? But this video is gonna come later, probably like at midnight, which is okay. You know, I'm just a little bit behind. It's fine. I'm gonna catch up. Now, listen, you guys. We're decorating this beautiful pink tree. Oh, not gonna spoil it. You guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so I am in one of the guest rooms upstairs. It's really pretty. You can see the lake from here. This is on the second floor. It's a really nice room and it's a really big room. So let me quickly show you guys how it looks. So this is how it looks. If you guys remember, this was in my bedroom last year. This was my bed last year in a previous home. But now we moved it in one of the guest room. Here stays my brother and my sister-in-law. When they come, they stay here. So it's nothing too busy or anything. It's beautiful. It has a lake view over here, and they have this patio, beautiful big patio over here as well. It's pretty simple overall. I think, you know, just kind of like remember you guys, we are still decorating. But anyways, it looks like this. We're gonna lose this tree and we're gonna put the pink Christmas tree. We're gonna lose this bedding. We're gonna put Christmas bedding on. And we're gonna put some more decor and things like that. I mean, let's see what we can do with this room. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and change this and put it in and make it Christmassy. So I bought this from Amazon. So it looks like this. It's actually really nice and it's gonna go really well. But luckily, actually, I do have here in their closet, oh, by the way, there's their tree, the ornaments, and I have many more ornaments. But I have this for them. I remember when they came last time, I said, you guys, if this one is too thick or too whatever, I have this one. I think this is just a little thinner. King California King. They're gonna keep their light gray sheets over here. And I'm gonna put this now. Okay guys, this is what we have. And I'm in love with it. I am absolutely in love with it. This is how this looks for now. I wanted to mention something quickly. So the bed comforter they had before, which is like a grayish, bluish, goldish, whatever color this is, it was going wonderful with the bed. So I bought this before I brought in the pink and all that. So I'm thinking now that they need like a pink comforter. Although this here, the reason I bought it, goes wonderful with this painting here, because I love this painting here. So you see the colors, they go so well. So it was blending really well. You know what? I might just leave it like this because it's gonna go really well with that painting, and the pink has its own little corner. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna take this tree out of here. And I'm gonna set up their Christmas tree. All right guys, so this is how my tree looks. So I got this tree last year from Home Depot, and it's all pink, and even the lights are pink as well. And I think it's really cute. I had this last year in my bedroom, but now it's in one of our guest rooms. Now let me show you quickly. So they have an exit to outside, to the patio. I'm not gonna show you the patio yet because it's not done, but I can show you what they see from their patio. They see the lake, which is beautiful. They see the pool. They see, you know, the houses across the lake and all that. That's our reindeer having a prayer. Let's give him a moment. So this is what I have for my tree. I put everything on this bed. We are doing blue and a little bit of pink and a little bit of blue here and there. So let me show you what I have, you guys, for this room. We'll start here. So this tree is the theme, I don't know, it's like a candy cane, not candy cane, but it's all sweets. We have These donuts here, we have them in pink, we have them in blue, we have the ice cream. It's all about sweets. It's a really, really cute tree. And then we have this cupcakes. We have them in pink, we have them in blue, we have the candy canes in pink and in blue. Oh my god, look at this sundae over here. This camper with the cupcake on top over here. Look at this. What is this, lollipop? And then I have some pics going on here. I also have big lollipop pics over here. I have the pink, I have the blue, I have them in different sizes, different colors, different kinds and texture and whatnot. I have this deco mesh, and I brought it all in here because I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. These are the decor for the tree. I have these two trees here. I don't know if I'm going to incorporate, but I'll try. I do want to add a little bit of other color as well this year. I don't know. I have this box here with, how cute is this box? Look at this, how bejeweled it is. It's all over. Oh, very nice. So I have this. I have a lot of white decorations. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. Then I have this big, huge, beautiful ornaments right here. I have this too that I really, really love. Very much so. And then, like I said, decor, decor, decor. I'm having these picks that I'm going to use on top of the tree. And then I have this over here as well. Probably I'm gonna use them on top of the tree as well. I'm having all this beautiful velvet poinsettias, and then other kind of poinsettias, and then this situation going on. I have this, I didn't use them last year. Maybe I will, maybe I will not this year. And you know, things like that. Like I said, I'm incorporating a little bit of dark pink as well. But we have a lot of cute ornaments. I have this, I have 4 or 5 of this garlands. They're poinsettia garlands. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put them yet. Maybe put them on the top there. I'm not sure yet. I really am not sure. I'm just starting, bear with me. So I have decided to pick this to deco mesh for this tree. So we will go ahead and start with this pink one first. Okay, you guys, this is how the pink mesh looks. Here's the deal. I start adding this blue mesh, and I'll be very honest with you. It's becoming to be too busy. What I'm thinking to do, you guys, is add some of this instead and see how this goes. You see how this candy cane has pink and white, this has pink and white. Let's try. Oh yes. You guys, this is a winner. I love these two meshes together. Do you guys see how beautiful and rich this tree is already? And how beautiful these two mesh together, get it? This is a deco mesh, they mesh together. Yes, honey, yes, they look amazing. I love it. Let's see what I can do with this tree. I'm so excited because it's gonna be different than last year for sure, because I did not have mesh last year.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my.
Okay, guys, this is what I have so far. Am I happy with it 100%? No. Have I taken it apart twice? Yes, I did. Listen, I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I did put this on top as a tree topper. We're gonna leave it like this for now. I know myself, I'll come here daily and probably change something, add something, take something. So what we need, we are missing the tree skirt. I have this red one. If you remember, this was the one that was on the tree downstairs, and we're going to turn this in pink. This is what I would like to use. I don't have enough of it. So I will first use this pink. This is a rustic pink, and then I'll use this brighter pink. Around the room, and this one looks a little undone to me, so I feel like there's something that we need to put at least there. So I found this garland. It is very sparse, very basic. I wasn't gonna use it this year at all. Look at my hands, I've been spray painting. Anyways, let's go ahead. What I'm trying to do here is beautify this a little bit. I'm gonna put mesh like I put on the tree. I'm gonna just mesh it up. I'm not gonna do anything crazy with it. We're gonna put it there and see how it looks.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by.
It looks like this. It looks like I said, I want something simple, nothing too crazy, because I don't even have time for crazy right now. But I think it looks pretty cute. It matches, the pink matches the room decor, but I think it's still not enough. So what I've been thinking is use maybe this gray mesh, because the bed is gray. We have some gray here in the room, so let's see how that works out.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Okay guys, so this is what we have. I just added, do you remember that garlands, those garlands that I told you that I have? And I didn't know what to do with them. I cut those poinsettias out and I added in the middle. let's put it up. I put it up. I'm gonna leave it just like that. It's not pre-lit, it's just simple, but look how much it adds to this room already. I love it, I love it. I do need something else in there. I don't think I'm gonna have time today to do it, but I'm gonna think what I can put in there. But I already love that this one goes so well with this, and the gray mesh goes with the gray bed. So far, I'm very pleased with it. So this is what I came up with. Do you remember that arrangement that I did in Vlogmas? I think it was maybe 10 or something in my mom's room. I made this all from Dollar Tree products. I'm gonna try to go a little closer. I am thinking to recreate this in pink. I just put it here for now to see how it looks, and I think it looks wonderful. It just will be amazing in pink. I think that it will really marry together when those two are pink with the tree. I do like the gray there. I forgot to mention earlier how it goes with that decor over there. It's the kind of grayish, bluish, greenish, whatever. I love that there. I'm gonna put it back in my mom's room, but I'm going to recreate it in pink. I can't do it today because it's really late, you guys, but I will keep you guys updated. Okay, guys, so remember how I told you that instead of that mirror, I would like to put a garland. They're both so gorgeous. This one is bigger, this one is smaller. I don't want to add anything to it because honestly, it is beautiful just as is. Okay, love it, love it, love it, love it.